Hello, this is Henry, and I'm going to do a recap on my trades today. First up, we have SERV. Saw SERV setting up here on the 15 minute. If you see the 11:45 candle, it tops out at 35.60. The same with the 12 o'clock candle, 35.60. And this 12:15 candle, it broke out here, made a nice pop, and I was still holding my first profit target. I believe was up here at 35.93. Didn't hit it, struggled a little bit. SPY was selling off quite a bit around this time, as it was for most of the day today. It looked like it was going to hold this breakout level for support here, so I added a piece just in case it wasn't going to get back to high today. Still struggled around in this level, and then in the next 15-minute candle, just couldn't hold back the SPY anymore. Broke this, or couldn't hold the breakout level. Fell through, got stopped out, and you can see later on in the day it actually made the move and put in a new high. And next up we have PFE. PFE, I didn't notice, was putting in a level here at 34 on the 15. And if you can see here, you see a flat bottom forming here, and come in here, and you can start to see triangle forming in this area here. Also, if you look a bit closer on the 30 minute and on the 15 minute, you'll see this volume by price, this larger bar right here on both of them. This was actually a point of control at the time of the trade. So it lingered around this area for a while, forming this bit of a bottom, this flat bottom here. And then it eventually broke through, partial here, 50%, and then 10 cents after, 5 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, maybe another 5 cents. And then I got in front of a lot of orders here at 33.40, so I got out at 33.41. As you can see, it rested on this point of control here on the 30 and the 15 and didn't really do much else for the rest of the day. That's essentially it for today. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If not, thanks for checking out my trades and happy trading.